So this is a bike helmet from MhIL. It's a great company. That's why I'm always super excited about my partnerships with them. It's got some really good features here. Inside it's got the padding, but it also has extra padding here in case you need to make this tighter onto your head. You can get it in different sizes. You can get it for kids, adults. It can be used for anything. As well as back here, it's got this little guy back here that will dial this in and get this even tighter around the head. And then you've got your straps here that pop right on. Let me just see if I can pull this guy on. Yep, perfect size. And then it just fits right under, and it looks kind of cool too. I mean, check that out. So it just pops on. And then you can also grab your straps here as well and tighten them that way. So you can tighten your straps down even more. Here, I've got it on crooked, but you can tighten it down even more. But again, it's gonna protect your head very well. Easy to pop right back off. And yeah, so very comfortable too. And it looks cool.